Greetings from FloodWood. Catfish Days 2014.
Nice.
Woo!
Downtown FloodWood. Looking for our spot to watch the parade go by for Catfish Days. Lots of stuff to do here. We got a dunk tank over here. Face and body painting over here. And whatever the heck a henna is. Beer tent. Well, I imagine that's popular around here. Right? Sweatshirts.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, somebody biffed it over there pretty good. Yay. Dora wants to go check her out. You okay?
I think she's okay.
And she was laughing about it, so I think she's all right. Oh, quite a long line for something. Something must be yummy over there.
Sorry.
Well, little sniff. Little sniffing going on. Yeah, that would be the beer tent over here. We should go over to the beer tent. Let's do the beer tent. Except we can only drink in there, I think. That's the yummies.
Big sounding dog in there.
Yeah, a very big sounding dog.
It's hard to
Well, if you want to know what a catfish taco looks like, there's a picture right there.
Angry ones. The angry hedgehog.
Beginning of the parade. The only troop in FloodWood. Well, aren't they a burly bunch, the FloodWood polar bears? No, they're champs. 2013 champs. Nice. Oh, Miss FloodWood. There's Miss FloodWood. What's this? Yeah, that's a pretty car.
Oh, darn. Oh, thanks. Oh, she let me have my favorite.
Is that Miss FloodWood too? About yikes.
Catch it.
And bang. It's for sale now. Oh, the bank's giving away shirts, I'm guessing. Oh. Score! Taffy!
Did you get a taffy?
I don't know.
Oh boy. What's going on, Laura? I'm sure we should sit down. Get your stuff in.
I'll take some of that.
Gross. Stop eating the candy.
We're missing the parade. Gonna kill our dog. Jay for mayor. A lot of political intrigue. Jay for mayor!
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Class of 56. Yeah!
All right.
Oh, real float.
Ooh, coffee.
Oh, yes, I want coffee.
The adults want coffee.
Yeah, that's
I want coffee. Oh yeah, I got coffee.
Oh, coffee.
Yeah,
Coffee.
you got a freezy pop.
Remember getting these right here in FloodWood Meta.
Oh, there's the big catfish taco.
There's big catfish taco. Another fire truck.
I know. Big. Come on, Eric. Oh, let's see. Whoa. Ah! Brian enjoying his breezy.
High School came down for that. That's cool. Much bigger school. Nice.
There's the another one. Hi.
Behind him.
I heard you.
Say hi to the family. It's just a video camera, you know.
Say hi.
Okay.
So you can say hi.
Okay, hi. Miss everybody.
We'll come up, everybody's going to come visit again. We were just all up last weekend.
Okay.
Not so sure about Thor.
We're at the car show part. Showing a pretty car with a pretty woman. Yeah.
So cute.
Some cars at the car show.
So she's like, oh, fine, I'll marry him. And she married him, and then
Nice. Be nice.
Isn't that had just the nicest little cow. We got the prize. Hey, take it easy, baby. What?
Are you on the cow side?
You want to eat the cow? There's the cow.
It's not everything. It's not a cow.
Look how big that cow is. Yeah, that's a big cow. That's a big cow. Oh, look how big he is. Oh, he's bigger than you are. Yeah, now I'm all done with you, cow says.
At least not. They don't hear it and be excited about it.
Go give me that ball.
And in he goes.